Are you tired of feeling stuck? Feeling like your life is just blending into the background? What if I told you that you could completely disappear and rebuild yourself from the ground up in just 6 months? Hi, I'm Sharon, and I've spent the last 6 months doing exactly that. I went from feeling lost and uninspired to having a clear vision for my future and the tools to make it happen. I'm going to share my step-by-step process with you, so you can do the same. The first step is to disappear. Now, I don't mean physically disappearing. I mean disappearing from the life that isn't serving you. This means cutting out the negativity, the toxic relationships, and the habits that are holding you back. Start by making a list of everything that's dragging you down. Then, make a commitment to let go of each and every one of those things. This could mean leaving a job, ending a relationship, or even just unfollowing people on social media who make you feel bad about yourself. Once you've cleared away the old, it's time to start rebuilding. This is the fun part. This is where you get to decide who you want to be and what you want your life to look like. Focus on your passions, your strengths, and your dreams. What do you want to achieve? What makes you truly happy? This is the foundation of your new life. Break down your big goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make them feel less daunting and more achievable. Set specific deadlines for each step and track your progress along the way. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. This is your chance to experiment and find out what works for you. Embrace the unknown and see it as an opportunity for growth. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in you and your dreams. These are the people who will cheer you on when you're feeling discouraged and help you stay on track. The next 6 months will be full of challenges and opportunities. But if you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve amazing things. You can completely transform your life and become the person you were meant to be. Host. So, are you ready to disappear and rebuild yourself? I believe in you. You have the power to create the life of your dreams. Start today. Host. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal growth and transformation. And don't forget to share your own journey with me in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you achieve.